Robert Burns's address to a haggis. Fair fa your honest, sonsy face, great chieftain o' the puddin' race, avon them all ye tak your place, pinch, tripe or therm, we'll are ye worthy o' a grace as lang's my arm. The groaning trencher, there ye fill your hurdies like a distant hill, your pin would help to mend a mill in time of need, and through your pores the dews distill like amber bead. His knife, see rustic, labour dicht, and cut ye up with ready slecht, trenching your gushing entrails brech like ony ditch, and then, what a glorious sight, warm, reeking, rich. Then horn for horn they stretch and strive, deal take the hindmost on they drive, till all their wheel-swallowed kites belive are bent like drums. Then the old good man maist like to rive, to think it hums. Is there that o'er his French ragout, or olio that would sta a sou, or fricassee that would make her spew, with perfect scunner, looks down with sneering, scornful view on such a dinner. Poor devil, see him o'er his trash, as feckless as a withered rash, his spindle shank a good whiplash, his neve a nit, through bloody flood and filtered ash, how unfit. But, mark the rustic, haggis fed, the trembling earth resounds his tread, clapped in his wally neve a blade, he'll make it whistle, and legs and arms and heads he'll sned, like a taps o' thistles. Ye poors will make mankind your care, and dish them out their bill of fare. How Scotland wants nae skinking ware that jupes and luggies. But, if you wish her grateful prayer, gie her a haggis. Ladies and gentlemen, lads and lassies, wherever you may be on this Burns Nicht at hame, join with me in raising the glass and toasting Robert Burns and the haggis. The haggis. Sons.